Hello guys, it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. For this video, I am going to take on a challenge of a low carb diet for 5 days straight. So within these 5 days, I am going to eat less than 30 grams of carbs every day. Show you what I eat and also some of the recipe that I made. Let's see how it goes. Alright, good morning guys. It's my first day of the no carb diet. Today I am making a smoothie for breakfast and going to a Pilates workout after my smoothie breakfast. For these 5 days I am going to show you guys what I eat every day and hopefully I stay on the plan of not eating any carbs. Alright, let's make the smoothie! Alright guys, I just finished with my workout and now I am on the way to lunch. I'm having my French lesson in a bit, so I'm going to grab a salad. Alright, I'll see you guys there, show you guys what I'm eating later. Alright guys, so it is lunchtime and I ordered some salad. I got some grilled salmon, some beans, kale with mango, a little bit couscous. So I think it's still okay for my low carb. Some pumpkin, I believe. So yeah, that's everything in the salad. And there's also some raisins and beans. Everything's still in low carb. So I also got a kale and avocado juice. And I am having a French lesson in a bit, so I'm just studying. Alright, so this is my lunch. Hello guys, so I just got back to my apartment and I went and got myself a soy latte and I also got myself a Greek yellow peach flavored yogurt. So this is going to be my dinner. Oh, and I have a leftover grapefruit. Let me just get the grapefruit. Alright, so this will be my snack slash dinner. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
我的冰箱现在完全是空无一物，除了3瓶酒以外，只有1个鸡蛋 ，tomato sauce, lemon, some lime, and some blueberries. There's nothing in here. 所以 I am going to do some grocery shopping.
Hi guys, it's the second day of my low carb diet and I am gonna go and do some grocery shopping because as you can see there is nothing in my fridge. Gonna go get some cauliflower and I think I will be making a cauliflower fried rice today.
Always remember to bring my shopping bag.
Alright, got some chicken breast and a bunch of veggies, mushrooms, carrots, and some yogurt, eggs, and of course my cauliflower. So for breakfast, I made that exact same recipe as yesterday and half an apple still. And I'll see you guys when I make my lunch. So I have prepped my cauliflower rice, mushrooms, pepper, onion, an egg, and some chicken breast. Woohoo! 我的午餐做好了。My lunch is ready, so I made this cauliflower rice with the ingredient you saw just now. Cut my chicken breast in big pieces because I like the feeling of biting into meat. Alright, so this is my lunch. Hey guys, so before I head out, I had yogurt. It is a new no sugar added yogurt for snack. And now I'm heading out to make cake. Hopefully, 我可以忍住我自己什么都不吃 ，OK？ 怎么样？好吃吗？
好吃哦，
好吃啊！
因为它没有很甜，
里面是那种黏黏的感觉是吗？
对，非常成功，
完美。Now I am going to have some snack/dinner. Gonna have some tomatoes. Today is the same thing. Alright, I just got home from my class and now I'm prepping lunch. Today I decided to make a chicken and mushroom cauliflower risotto. I'm prepping my ingredients right now. Some mushrooms, and these I am using finished for another dish, and this is the cauliflower rice that I just cut up. And then I'll also be using these coconut milk for the risotto because I don't want to use any heavy cream. My chicken is defrosting. I got a piece of chicken breast. And yeah, gonna make the lunch now. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. 好的，各位看官们，现在在做这个 mushroom risotto，把 mushroom 跟鸡肉都放进去了，然后煮一会儿。Turned out so much better than I was expecting. It looks really good too. Let me know if you guys are interested in the recipe because I just kind of invented this. My memory card just ran out, but I tried it. It's actually really good. I have lunch now. Bye. Hello guys, it is afternoon again and it is tea time right now. I made myself some soy latte. I am also having some blueberries, dried cranberries, and a yogurt. Today is day 3. I still have 2 more days to go. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so it's exactly the same thing again. I guess I just never get bored with this breakfast, huh? Anyway, I am flying back home today. Hey guys, so I am on my way back to Taiwan and I didn't have time to have lunch, so I got myself a soy latte and a fruit cup. Now I am heading home, having my mom's birthday. Alright, see you guys when I get there. So I ordered a low-calorie meal before I go. There's salmon, spinach, some potatoes. I will be eating them with some carbs and some fruit. Hello guys, today is the last day of my no carb diet. And now I am having my first breakfast for today. I got a yogurt and a soy latte. So far it has been okay. It has been 4 days. Today's the last day. Alright, see you guys at lunch. Hello guys, I am at an empty house. This is where I used to live. We're moving right now. And I didn't have time to film my lunch, but I had those salad that you just saw and a quarter of a roasted chicken. That completes my 5 days of no carbs. So, see you guys later tonight. Alright, so that was it for my 5 days challenge. I didn't really lose any weight during this challenge because I think 5 days is just not long enough and I am still eating a lot even though I was not eating any carb. But I think long term wise, it definitely would have some change on my body. So I just don't think 5 days was enough. But it's definitely a way to get comfortable with the no carb idea, like the keto diet. Yeah, I felt like one of the biggest benefit was to cut down snacking because I used to have a lot of cookies laying around the house and I snack around here and there. But during this diet, I was consciously cutting down all my snacking. So I couldn't have any of the cookies that I stored. And I think that helped a lot. And there were definitely a lot of struggles. Like when I was making cake with my friends, I couldn't have any of that. When I was on the airplane, I have to try to find a way to get healthy food into my diet. And you know, like especially when you are eating with people, it's very hard to let people know that you cannot have any carbs. Gotta have people who support you on your diet. I mean, a low carb diet is not that hard, but if you are getting into more serious diet, then you definitely need friends and family who could understand and support your decision. Yeah, so that's something to add on to what I was saying earlier. I would like to try the keto diet one day, but just because the keto diet, it takes like 6 weeks to get into ketosis. So I think it would take a lot of courage and consistency to do the keto diet. I haven't been able to, you know, really get into it, but I have watched a lot of video talking about the keto diet and I would definitely want to try it one day. And this is kind of like a little test to see if I could get used to the keto lifestyle. Let me know if you guys are interested in the keto diet and I'll see if I can find some time to try out that diet. Yeah, so that was it for my video. By the way, if you guys are wondering, this is a citrus tree. It's a lemon tree. When I was out for work for a week, all of the leaves fell out, so I'm kind of just growing it back. This is a new sprout coming out. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to comment down below, give me a like, and subscribe my channel. Follow my Instagram and Weibo. Alright, that was it. That's a long outro. Bye guys, see you guys next time.